Today we're going to be doing the tennis ball release, and all you're going to need to get started is a tennis ball and a nice flat surface that you can lie against. So let's go ahead and get started. Take your ball, lean against a wall, place the ball in between your shoulder blade and your spine. Now you should be leaning against it, holding the ball in place. Now if you like deeper pressure, go ahead and angle your body in and lean in a little bit deeper. Okay? Now, utilizing your feet, you're gonna lift your body up and down, rotating on this ball, allowing it to go along the side of the shoulder blade, helping to release all those aches and pains and tight muscles around that shoulder blade. Okay, now we're about to go a little bit deeper. Are you ready? We're gonna take this arm and we're gonna start lifting it up and down, while also moving our body up and down. Now the next piece we're going to do is we're going to take that same arm and we're going to move it in and out, while also continuing to go up and down, just going deeper and deeper underneath that scapula. Now you can feel free to repeat this as many times as you like. The intent is for us to have our shoulders relaxed, drop back down, so that way you have good posture again. You're going to want to repeat this move on the opposite shoulder, so that way both shoulders are even when you're done. Enjoy.
Ready to elevate your self-care routine? Head over to www.solosage.com for exclusive access to over 50 self-care massage techniques. Whether you're on the go or winding down at home, our Solosage system has you covered. Sign up today and start pampering yourself and your loved ones like never before.